Hello, beauties. Welcome again to Wendy Stars. A happy Sunday to you all. God bless you guys for staying locked to this channel. Let's be honest, because after a while of wearing your hair extensions and your weave repeatedly, your hair really needs a break. And what better time, would just than that be in this season we're in? Because you really don't want your hair in your face. Sometimes you might even think that maybe you don't have many options, like when it comes to short natural hairstyles for black women, but the reality is very different. I would like you guys to just sit down. Please watch this video to the end because you're going to be amazed with this beautiful trending short natural hairstyles for black women. This haircut today, they are really super exciting, and it's a haircut that it's easy to style. Those designs and colors you're seeing on the screen will give you that opportunity to be playful and experimental with your hair. So if you're really going into the motions, or maybe you want to grow your hair, or those maybe you want to maybe have a little short hair for a while, I would like you guys to just watch this video because it will really convince you a lot, like the kind of short hairstyles that will suit your personal style. And it's also showing some beautiful vibrant splash of colors, because this natural coils, you can see they have really cleverly livened up with some beautiful color highlights, that will really give your hair that brand new dimension. It's punk and pretty all at the same time, and at least you won't even need to worry about styling your hair every day because it's a wash and go hairstyle. So why not go for this beautiful super short haircut, that is so easy to style and is a low maintenance style. And one thing about this haircut we have for you guys today is that you can just literally get up and you are good to go. So just comb the top, make sure you keep your hair well hydrated and moisturized, and you're pretty much good to go. So you can see here, this Antonio, he used the MIELLE kit to really give this woman this beautiful coils. And the coil defining cream come for $7. So like if you think of getting like the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, the coil cream, and the oil, then you can get it for up to $20. Then we're going to show you can see the cream in front of you. So this is the coil cream. You will see how he's going to use it to give this woman those defined curls you're seeing on the screen. It also has the edge control cream too, and in this video too you will also be seeing Step the Barber, how he uses his product, which is the Kings and Coils, to give beautiful women that slick lay down on their hair that makes them look sophisticated and gorgeous. So with that much, let me just let you guys to just watch this beautiful short haircut. That is one of the best and trendy short hairstyles that will always make you look good and gorgeous. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. Please watch to the end of this video. You will not regret watching it. God bless you guys.